Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I cook family-friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for chicken Florentine. Sit back, relax, and enjoy, and thanks for watching. First of all, we take some chicken breasts and we're going to pop those between 2 sheets of cling film. Then we're going to take a meat mallet, a rolling pin, or a heavy base frying pan or saucepan, and we're going to just flatten them down till they're about 1 centimeter thick the whole way around. This just helps for even cooking. So now that our chicken's flattened, we're going to go over to our cooker and we're going to take a heavy base saucepan, and to that we're going to add a couple of spoonfuls of olive oil, and then we're going to add the chicken fillets. Now we'll cook the chicken fillets for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, just until they're slightly cooked through. You don't want them to be brown, but just cooked. Now we'll remove them from the pan and we'll set them on a plate and set them to the side for later. Now in the same pan with the chicken juices, we're going to add some cubed butter. Now folks, if you enjoy my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make further videos for you. Now we're going to add some sliced mushrooms, then some diced onion and some crushed garlic. We'll give that a stir around. We'll let that cook just for 3 to 4 minutes until the mushrooms start to soften and the onions soften as well. So now that our onions and mushrooms are cooked, we're going to add some plain flour. Now you need to cook this out for about 2 minutes just to stop all the flour flavour from coming through. Then to that we're going to add some ordinary milk, some chicken stock. We'll give that a stir around and we'll cook that for 2 to 3 minutes just until the sauce starts to thicken. As you can see, our sauce is nice and thick. So now we're going to add some grated parmesan cheese. We'll give that a stir around. We'll cook that for another 2 to 3 minutes just until the parmesan cheese melts. Then we're going to add some spinach. And again, like this video, you're going to cook that for 2 to 3 minutes just until the spinach starts to wilt. So now that our spinach is wilted, our cheese is melted, we're going to add our chicken breast back into the pan. So we'll bring our sauce back to a boil, and then we'll just take a spoon and we'll cover the chicken breast with the sauce. Then we'll pop the lid on and we'll let that simmer for about 10 minutes just until the chicken's fully cooked through. Now as you can see, I'm using a meat thermometer. If you don't have one, you can just cut your chicken up just to make sure there's no pink in the middle. Now my chicken's fully cooked, it's almost time to serve. But the last wee tip just before serving is we'll add a spoonful of lemon juice. We'll give that a stir around and we'll just let that flavours come to the fore. We'll bring that back to the boil, and now it's time to serve our Florentine chicken. Now I'm just serving mine over some mixed pasta and with a little side salad. So folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my further videos.